How to fix a suspended Google Ads account fast. Getting your Google Ads account suspended can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are steps you can take to resolve the issue swiftly. In this guide, we'll walk you through some quick tips to help you get your account back up and running. First, read the suspension notification carefully. Google will provide a reason for the suspension, such as policy violations or suspicious payment activities. Understanding the exact cause is crucial for resolving the issue. Next, navigate to the Policy Manager in your Google Ads account. This tool provides more details about policy issues or violations. Correcting these discrepancies is your first step towards reactivation. If it's a policy violation, review Google's advertising policies. Make sure your ads comply with their guidelines on prohibited content, misleading claims, or inappropriate software. Often, small changes to your content or landing pages can make a significant difference. For billing or payment issues, check your payment methods. Ensure all credit card information is valid and updated. Contact your payment provider if necessary to resolve any disputes or blocks that may have triggered the suspension. Once corrections are made, you can submit an appeal directly through your Google Ads account. Be clear and concise. Explain the steps you've taken to rectify any issues and why you believe your account should be reinstated. While you await feedback from Google, review other campaigns and assets to prevent future suspensions. Consistently auditing your account for compliance can save you time and effort in the long run. If you're still facing challenges, consider contacting Google Ads support for assistance. They can offer insights specific to your account and help guide you through the resolution process. Remember, a quick resolution often depends on how accurately and swiftly you address the underlying issues causing the suspension.